So next one, അത് യൂസ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു പ്രോബ്ലം ആണ്. യൂസിങ് ഗ്രീൻസ് തിയറം ഫൈൻഡ് ദ ഏരിയ ഓഫ് ദ എലിപ്സ് x square by a square plus y square b square is equal to 1. So by Green's theorem, what is the formula to find area? Half of integral over c minus y dx plus x dy. So here the region is x square by a square plus y square b square is equal to 1. So this is the line integral. So to evaluate a line integral, we have to convert all the variables into a single variable. Either x അല്ലെങ്കിൽ y അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഏതെങ്കിലും ഒരു parameter. So here since it is the ellipse x square by a square plus y square b square is equal to 1, we can put x a cos theta y b sin theta. So dx dy മാറ്റാം. Theta varies from 0 to 2 pi. So this is half of integral 0 to 2 pi minus b sin theta into dx minus a sin theta d theta plus a cos theta into minus b cos theta d theta. So it is half of integral 0 to 2 pi ab sin square theta plus ab cos square theta d theta. So we can take ab outside. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So it is ab. So ab into integrate theta d theta, that is 2 pi. So answer is pi ab. Okay. So next is surface integral. What is meant by surface integral? If sigma denotes a smooth surface, then the surface integral of f of xy z over sigma is, it is denoted by double integral over sigma f of xy z ds. This is the surface integral. What is S? S means surface area. And its application is if f of xy z is a density function of a lamina, then mass of the lamina is double integral over sigma f of xy z ds. That surface integral ആയിരിക്കും അതിൻ്റെ mass, where f of xy z is the density of the lamina. So to evaluate a surface integral, double integral over sigma f of xy z ds, because there are three variables x, y, z, and we have to evaluate the double integral. Three variables in double integral is not possible, so we have to convert the three variables into two variables. That means we have to project the surface into any one of the plane, xy plane, yz plane or xz plane. അപ്പോഴത്തേക്ക് രണ്ട് വേരിയബിളായിട്ട് കൺവേർട്ട് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും. So if we project the region in xy plane, then there will not be z. So z is a function of xy, and what will be ds? ds will be square root of dou z by dou x the whole square plus dou z by dou y the whole square plus 1 dA. That is dx dy. Okay. If sigma and the region is projected on yz plane, then there will not be x. So x is a function of yz, and ds will be square root of dou x by dou y the whole square plus dou x by dou z the whole square plus 1 dA. And if it is projected on xz plane, y will be function of xz, and ds will be square root of dou y by dou x the whole square plus dou y by dou z the whole square plus 1 dA. Okay. Then you use it problem. Evaluate the surface integral double integral over sigma x z ds, where sigma is the part of the plane x plus y plus z is equal to 1, which is in the first octant. So here we have to evaluate double integral over sigma x z ds. So which is the region? It is the plane x plus y plus z is equal to 1. Most usually we project the region in xy plane. So x plus y plus z is 1. Or z can be written as 1 minus x minus y. So dou z by dou x is minus 1, dou z by dou y is minus 1. And on xy plane it is x plus y is equal to 1. In the first octant means x is 0, y is 0. So x is 0, y axis, y is 0, x axis, and x plus y is equal to 1, that is a straight line passing through 1, 0 and 0, 1. Okay, so this is the region. So if we project on xy plane, the region is like this. So if you have to now we can evaluate this double integral. We need to find the limits for x and y. The limit for x, take the vertical strips at the extremes. So x is 0 and x 1. So x varies from 0 to 1. And if we take a vertical strip inside the region, y varies from 0 to a point on this line, that is 1 minus x. So evaluate x z. So x into z is 1 minus x minus y. Then ds is square root of dou z by dou x whole square plus dou z by dou y the whole square plus 1. That is 1 plus 1 plus 1. Root 3 dy dx. ഇനി നമുക്കിത് ഇവാലുവേറ്റ് ചെയ്യാം. ഫസ്റ്റ് വിത്ത് റെസ്പെക്ട് ടു y ചെയ്താൽ integral of x xy, integral of x square y, integral of xy x into y square by 2 from 0 to 1 minus x. So in the place of y we can put 1 minus x. So we get x into 1 minus x minus x square into 1 minus x minus x by 2 into 1 minus x the whole square. So 1 minus x the whole square, expand here, simplifying we get x cube by 2 minus x square plus x by 2. Then again integrate with respect to x. So the answer is root 3 by 24.